Okay, just showing you about the return credit there, where normally we would bill here if it's a credit note. Put credit note on there. And we just look through Homeland, and with the Homeland ones, which was in suppliers, there was a load of what looked like bills, but all they were was actually receipts for payments going in over the counter. And I'll use one here as an example. Received from the above account. It's money being paid in, but doesn't show what was actually purchased. So we don't know is it a personal or a business thing, so we're going to have to query all those. Okay, very good. Okay, so if there's a double up of receipts, just highlight them here under suppliers, you'd have the list, then merge the two selected. So we'll call it as Pet Planet. Now when I go down to Pet Planet, it's just the other ones. And all four are in there, okay? So now we'll have a look at them.